City's annual Tamale Festival already this weekend. That means homemade tamales and, of course, plenty of entertainment. Smart shopper Daphne Monroe has a deal of the day to give you a taste of what to expect for free.
I love tamales.
We do it every year on Christmas.
Corn and chili with cheese, the red beef, the green beef.
The meat, the masa, everything, how they wrap them.
It's wonderful. You gain a lot of weight, but they're delicious.
Well, if you love tamales, guess what? You can score a half a dozen for free with your Smart Shopper card, because Food City is doing a fabulous Smart Shopper deal of the day for you at 3 specific Food City locations. One is Arizona and Ray Road. The second location is 91st Avenue and Thomas, and the third location is 7th Avenue and Southern. On Thursday at 6 a.m., if you show your Smart Shopper card at their customer service at any of those 3 Food City locations, you're going to get a half a dozen of tamales for free. Normally, those dozen would cost you $7.99, but you're going to get them absolutely for free. And you can choose from beef, pork, corn, and they've got 2 other kinds, a total of 5 to choose from of what you'd like. I'll have all the details and the exact locations and where you can print out or pick up your fabulous Smart Shopper card for free. Just head over to abc15.com/Smart Shopper. Enjoy. I'm Daphne Monroe, your Smart Shopper.